All right, guys, what's going on today? All I know is, got a little secret to show you guys because it's a little exciting. So let's take a look. Well, guys, I've done something a little good, yes. Holy shit! Oh, boys! Y'all know what that means, right? Single fucking turbo, bud. 100%. So, a couple weeks ago, I purchased a Drift Motion single turbo manifold. Just for the reason of that, I did not want to have to run the twins because, well, I have JDM twins and they're ceramic blades and Nature's Grenade and. So, yeah, I'm a little excited, if you can't tell. So now, I also ordered a Tile Wastegate 44 mil, like MVR. So I need to chop this flange, and then I'll be putting a V-band flange on here for my new wastegate. And yeah, it just makes me so happy. Just like that. Now these bolts are all 14, or sorry, these two top nuts and the two bottom bolts, 14s. Sorry, I lied. They're 13. And these two long rails go on the bottom. Now these are two different sizes. Sorry. The long one goes on the outside, that side, and the short one goes on the other side. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and torque this up. All right, so all these throttle body bolts get torqued down to 20 foot-pounds. Like that. That's what happens when you slip off the bolt. Just like that. Now I'm also going to do the upper intake. And the upper intake gets torqued to 20 foot-pounds as well. All right. So now I'll plug this in finally for good. Damn. All right. Now, go ahead and move on. Let's see what it looks like. Like that. Alright guys, so this is what she's looking like. Hot damn. Honestly, sometimes I blow myself away. But yeah, intake and valve cover or coil cover match. Single turbo manifold, not installed, just sitting there. Obviously, just a couple bolts. Because I'm gonna have to lop that off, and then when my wastegate comes in, I'll weld that on before I attach it to the block or to the head. Sorry. The one thing I need to figure out, because now that I'm not using the stock twins, this actually used to mount on the back of the rear stock twin to hold it here. So I'm gonna have to create a little bracket or something somehow. I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna do it so that it's not knocking all over the place. Right now I'm waiting for a 1/2" NPT tap to come in, because this is coming out and this is being threaded. Same with this PCV valve, because check over here. These bad boys. Okay, so it's gonna get drilled and then tapped for this, and that's gonna face back. And I'm gonna have one on this side. It's gonna be like that and back. And then what these are gonna run to are gonna be my catch can with AN10 braided lines. So here is my catch can. So that's going to be ran to those 90s with this AN10 line. And then that AN6 line right there is for my fuel return and my fuel pressure regulator and my fuel return. All the shit for my fuel return. So that's that. And then I just have the rest of my gauges. I have my blow-off valve. And I have a motor mount over here, my exhaust gasket, my oil dipstick, and that's it, literally. So what you see right there is the rest of the shit to be installed on the JZ, except for obviously those are for my valve covers. These are my valve cover bolts, because I'm waiting for my new gasket from Drift Motion. And then what I have to do is figure out what kind of loom I kind of wish I had something like this that was factory and not cut, because then I'd be able to use this for going through the firewall. But yeah, so that's that. This actually is for the throttle body, so I'm going to go ahead and throw this on. Thanks for watching, guys. I know it might be a little bit of a short video this time, but I I gotta get home ASAP because I have a customer that's coming over and I need to install a sound system. So depending on how that goes, I might get some content, I might not. If I don't, this will be the end of the video. If I do, well, I'll see you in a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Have a great evening.